Alright, hello you guys and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In one of my more recent videos where I mix all of my hair dyes together, I had asked you guys if you had any recommendations for hair colors and hair dye brands. And a lot of you guys recommended Overtone and Arctic Fox, so today we're going to be trying the Overtone hair color. This is going to be a first impressions and review. I'm also going to give you guys some tips. Hello guys, this is Kevin from the future and I just want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Best Fiends. Best Fiends is a free puzzle adventure game where you collect cute friends and match same colored objects to defeat slugs. Right now, you can go on an Easter egg hunt. If you collect all 12 eggs, you can win massive prizes. I have a special clue from me to you to help you on your way. This Easter egg is hidden among eggs from the past. Download the game for free using my link below to get $5 worth of gold and diamonds for free. You could play it without Wi-Fi, so that means you could play it on airplanes, you could play it on long car rides, just anywhere you want. You don't need Wi-Fi to play this game, so that is very convenient. And Best Fiends is free to download. It's like best friends without the R. Best Fiends. I scribbled down a bunch of notes, and these may be in like no particular order. I just scribbled them down as I got them off the internet. But based on my research, this is a few of the things that I got. First off, Overtone is not a dye, it is a color depositing conditioner. It is non-damaging and you can mix it with other colors. If you already have some color in your hair from another brand, then you could just put this on top of it and it will mix together in the color wheel and make a different color. And all of their products are vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, non-damaging, and curl-safe. Which means if you have curly hair, it will not mess with your curls. So I have right here the deep conditioning treatment, and this is great for any time that you would do a deep conditioner. You could use this once a week if you already have this in your hair, or you could use this to deposit the color. If you have any fading going on, then you could use the deep treatment to bring your color back to life. This also has a lot of hydrating ingredients, which will help your hair a lot. A lot of other hair dyes have harsh chemicals which will do damage to the hair, but this one actually makes your hair feel a lot better. And the basic daily conditioner is great for if you want to keep your color lasting a long time, or if you have any fading going on, just use this daily conditioner. You could use it once a day, you could use it twice a week. Whenever you wash your hair, just use this and it will bring your color back to life. And one of my favorite parts that I've learned about this hair color is that you could take hot showers. I love hot showers. I actually contacted my apartment manager to see if we could get hotter water because I felt like our shower water was like a lukewarm. It wasn't hot enough for me. I am such a fan of hot showers. The last brand that I tried was the L'Oreal Coloristas, and my hair would fade a lot after just one wash. Another thing is, if you wanted to mix colors, it is totally okay to do so. So if you took like a blue and a yellow and mix them together, it would make like a green. You could just like kind of play around with the colors and make your own color out of it. Alright, so I already bleached my hair before I filmed this video. You can use this on wet hair or dry hair, but if you wanted a more vibrant, saturated color, then use it on dry hair and it will deposit more of the color. Alright, so we are going to go in with the Pastel Purple Deep Conditioning Treatment because I want to go for a purple look. And please remember that this is a pastel purple, not a vibrant purple, so the color will be a little bit washed out. Here's what it says on the how to use section. So it says that you can use it with wet hair, but if you want an extra saturation and more color deposit, use on dry hair. Color all of your hair in the product and let set for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it out. I'm going to rinse it out and then I'm also going to apply the daily conditioner as well. So I have my bowl and my brush right here, and then I'm just going to scrape a little bit of it out into the bowl. So it says to use gloves, but since it is not damaging, I don't care about color getting on my fingers. So I'm not going to use gloves, but I recommend that you do use gloves if you don't want your fingers to turn a different color. I don't know how long this will last. So here it is in the bowl, and I'm just going to start applying it onto my hair. So I'm just going to apply this all over and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back and I have applied the product throughout all of my hair. If you are a smell kind of person, this smells so amazing. It smells like spearmint gum. That's the kind of vibes I got from it. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like any harsh chemicals. It doesn't smell like dye. Also, another thing I want to note is that when I was applying the product, I had to use double the amount that I showed you guys at the beginning. It wasn't enough to cover my whole head. Even after refilling the bowl, I still have quite a lot of product left. If you have longer hair, you will probably need to use about half of this tub right here. I'm not too sure, but $28 for a tub of this, so that will be about $14 to dye your hair. So that's not too bad. I mean, basic salons cost a lot of money. That is a very small fraction of the price of going to a regular salon to get colored hair. And also, this doesn't have any damaging ingredients. So this is very great for if you want to dye your hair at home. All right, so it says to leave this in for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to do that, and I will be right back to let you guys know my final thoughts. Alright you guys, so I just got out of the shower and I rinsed the hair color out. And now I'm going to do the reveal. Are you guys ready to see what the final results are? I think they came out pretty good. Alright, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. I love it. I think it came out really great. If you guys didn't notice before I put the color in, I did have some like darker roots. You know when you bleach your hair and it turns like a brownish color? My tips were lighter and my roots were darker, so you can obviously see like a difference. And this is a pastel purple. Maybe the vibrant colors will do a lot better. I love the color, I love the coverage. The only thing that is a problem is the back of my head was a little bit darker than the rest of my hair, so it came out a darker color.
Bitch, where?
Yeah, as you can see, the back could use a little bit of touching up, but I think it came out pretty great. I'm excited to try the other colors. I got a vibrant pink as well, and I had pink hair in the past, and I'm excited to try this one and see how it works. Let me know what you guys think of this color in the comments down below. I think it did a pretty great job at covering. My tip for if you're going to use this is to definitely have as light of hair as you can. The darker the hair, the less color you will get. Obviously, I mean, that's something we all know. You guys are probably like, duh, Kevin. Would I repurchase this? Yes, I would definitely repurchase this. This is pretty great for if you already have purple hair and you want to tone it. If you want to keep your hair lasting a long time. If you want to dye your hair, you're going straight from blonde to a different color. This is definitely great as well. And also, they do have sample sizes, so you don't have to commit to the giant tub. If you just want to see if you're going to like a color or you want to test how the product works. They do have sample sizes. They have a sample size of the daily conditioner for $8 and they have a sample size of the deep conditioner for $11. And I will also leave a link in the description where you can receive $10 off any purchase of $30 or more. If you use the link I have in my description, it is not an affiliate link. It is not something that I get any benefit off of. It's just something that they provide on the website, so I want to share it with you guys in case you did want to try this and save you a few bucks. Alright, so that is it for this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Let me know in the comments what you think of this and let me know any other hair coloring brands that you guys recommend. And before I end this video, I do have a couple of announcements. The first one is that I'm doing an Amazon gift card giveaway. It is going to be an e-gift card worth $15, and all you have to do to enter this giveaway is to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, click on that bell button for notifications. Also, follow me on my Instagram page. I will have the link in the description. Once you have done all of those things, please let me know in the comments that you have entered the giveaway, and I will select one random winner from the comments and private message them in a few days. Also, for my last and final announcement, I am going to be shouting out one random person in each of my videos at the very end. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and click on that notification bell to receive notifications and comment in the comments down below #notificationsquad. I'll be selecting one of the first 50 comments to shout out in my next video. And this week's shout out goes to Abby Rupard. Thank you so much, Abby Rupard, for watching and being part of the notification squad. Alright, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.